how to train your brain to speak English, which technique, if you take, it will be much benefited to you. I think in this video, I will give you three tips. By using these three tips, you can start your spoken English journey. Number first, think in English. When you will go to around your home, there you will watch many things. There can be tree, there can be many kinds of house. You can explain with your own word. It can be broken word, but you have to explain according to you. There is this tree is very tall. This tree is very short, but I don't know what is name of this tree. This tree don't have much leaves. This tree is not deep green. Huge leaves has been fallen from this tree. So you will that scenario in front of you. You can explain it in your own word. There there will stay simple and easy word. That word will come naturally in your mouth. You don't need to apply vocabulary. So you will not go to translate process. If you go to translate process, there you will watch many problems because sentence structure is not similar. Our mother tongue and English language sentence structure is not similar. There is some difference. So if you go to direct translating process, there you would confess very much problem. So you have to think in direct English language. If you go to translating process, there you was that many barrier comes in front of you. So translating process is not right process. If you go to speak direct in English, your thinking process, your courage will be increased day by day. Go to apply. How to train your brain to speak English. The second tips is go to apply. When you will go to travel, when you will go to your work, your destination, there you will watch many scenario, humans, trees, vehicles, house, so many things. If you apply your this technique, your explanation habits will be increased. There you can use your normal vocabulary. There you can use your natural speaking process. If you don't apply your ability to speak English, you would not be become a fluent English speaker. So you have to apply it. You can think in yourself. You can think by using your own words. You can explain your think with a natural process. So if you don't apply your ability, your courage, your intention will be not increased there. So second tips is very very important. To speak English, your thinking process, your minimum speaking ability, you have to apply in everywhere. But firstly, when you will go to explain by your own word, their hesitation will be come easily in your mind. You would not explain it easily, but you should not leave it. Try and try again and again. You have to try to speak. You have to apply these tips to speak English. Third tips is observation. After explaining few minutes, it can be 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. After finishing your thinking process, you have to observe it in yourself. How much error, how much mistakes has been have been done there, and where you should rectify it. After observation, you will find your natural mistakes. You would find that where where have you done minimum mistakes. So third tips is very very important. Observation. After finishing your speech, after finishing your explanation, your expression, you have to observation. So after observation, you can rectify it. Second time, when you will go to follow this process, there you will be much award to do these mistakes. So second time you will not minimum mistakes. So in this video I have shared 3 tips how to train your brain to speak English. First is think in English direct, no translating, no no perfect, direct speak English in yourself. And second tips was apply it. You have much knowledge, you have much vocabulary, but you don't do apply it, you will be not a English speaker. Third tips was observation. After every explanation, after finishing every expression, you have to observe where you have done minimum mistakes, generally mistakes. That mistakes you should have not done it. So in this video I have shared my 3 tips. If you follow these 3 tips, definitely you will be a good English speaker. I hope this video will be much benefited to you. If you are a beginner, are if you are in this process, so this video will much help you to learn spoken English. If this video is valuable to you, like, comment and subscribe. So that word I would say every time. Stay good, stay healthy and stay with me. I will see you in the next video.